Hey everyone, I wanted to share something with you that I think could be very helpful to you, especially if you're in a relationship or a marriage and you suspect that something might be going on, or maybe you might want to track your teenagers to see if they might be involved in something that they don't need to be involved in. I was, happily married with a woman who, I thought was going to be the love of my life. And after a couple of years, some things just didn't seem right with our relationship. She started staying out late, talking about, she was, working late. Just the kind of scenarios that you would see on cheaters. And I just didn't really believe, what was going on. And in my spirit and in my gut, there was definitely something that was amiss. And I came across this thing online called Heister Mobile. And what it allowed me to do, because of my suspicions, is I downloaded it on her phone, and I was able to listen to every single phone call that she was making, listen to her surroundings wherever she was at, and also track her GPS messages, and also look at her text messages. Now, I don't really want to be in a situation to where I'd have to go to that extent, but I really felt that after a few years of being married with her, that we something was wrong. So I used this device, and let me tell you, my suspicions were absolutely 100% correct. I was planning out a vacation, and I found out that she was cheating on me with another man. And not only was she cheating on me with another man, but she was having relations with another individual through text messages and phone calls. And without this device, I would have just been blinded and not know that all this was going on. So I highly recommend that if you're in a relationship and you need to be able to find out for sure if your spouse or your loved one or your girlfriend is in a situation to where she might be not so faithful, definitely try this product and check it out. It's Heister Mobile is what it's called, and it absolutely saved me from spending thousands of dollars on a vacation that with someone who was just cheating on me. So definitely check it out. And not only that, I want to also point out that after I used it with my wife, my ex-wife, I also started using it with my teenage son, who I found out, and nobody likes to hear this, that he was actually dealing with individuals that were, smoking marijuana and skipping school and some other things that I had to catch him on. And if I didn't catch him and confront him and figure out exactly what he was doing, I wouldn't have been able to save him from some situations where his buddies got caught and were involved with the law. So you can use it for your relationships, you can use it for your children, but you definitely want to use this if you want to see exactly what's going on, and you want to be able to put it on the cell phone and find out, who people are talking to and who they're texting, and listen to their surroundings. It's definitely a good device that you want to have in your arsenal. So I wanted to share that with you because it's something that helped me out tremendously, and I think it can help you out too. Thank you so much.